Hello once again, and welcome to another video. Today I have another paper craft, again. Yeah, don't be alarmed, I don't waste my time like every 10 seconds to make a different plane. I actually have breaks, a few minutes. Yeah, anyways, yeah, so today I have made a stupid focus on the camera, is horrible. That was weird. Okay, so what I have is a British Airways, British Aerospace Company or something, something. Back Super 111. Yeah, I guess it's an iconic plane from the 1980s or somewhere on the 60s or somewhere. I don't know, but yeah, it's a good plane. I guess. Yeah. Catch get plane. Thank you. So it took not very long to make. I didn't take my time on this very well. I just wanted to make it for fun because I had nothing to do. I mumble. I say that like twice. Okay. Yeah, so here we are. The engines don't have anything in it. They're just hollow. Yeah, I can't really see it, but it's hollow. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That was like the shortest video I've ever made. Like 1 minute and 20 seconds. Yeah, so I hope you liked the video. And please like, subscribe, and comment, and please come back to see other videos, which are probably going to be in a few more minutes. So, see you in the next video? Okay, goodbye.